We talk about how can you enable daily reminder on your Mimo app. We go to figure out the solution on how you can do that on your daily Mimo app. So you just follow this ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, so you just go down here, you click here on profile, and just click here on profile. It's going to take you to this list here. It's going to show for you like this. So then all you have to do, you just go here above this sign, click on it. Sorry, click here in this sign. So then it's going to show for you a list like this here. Then you go down, just keep going down here. Then you come here to delete reminder, just click on this sign. Then like you see this color show for us, that's mean delete reminder enable with us now. You click here on reminder time, then here can you select reminder time in this list, then you click on OK, then it's going to add with you here. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking